March Madness. We have some specials over at healthyhydration.com. This is our Hydro Home unit. It's one of our most popular units. It makes ozone water, which you can clean and disinfect. Great for fruits and vegetables and washing them. Make 3 levels of hydrogen water. Also has a heating element, so it warms that water up so you can make tea. Now we move on to the Luxe. The Luxe makes hot water that's hydrogen and room temperature. Has an RO system in it, has UV sterilization in it. It's a very popular unit and you just plug it in, no need to plug it into a faucet. And then we have our 4-in-1. This is an inhalation unit. So it takes the gas and you can put that gas in your nose. Breathe it. It's 1,000 times stronger than drinking the water glass for glass. Or you can put in your ears, helps any itises, like ringing of the ears. We have tinnitus. Then you can put it in your eyes, any eye issues, because our eyes are exposed to the environment, which causes oxidation, which breaks down our eye cells. So you can put it in your eyes. Or we have a wand that comes with, and you put it in water. And then you can make any liquid, you can make hydrogenized. So that's really cool. So $1,000 off of any of these units with our March Madness special. We also have our affiliate program. So if you want to get involved in this, you want to share this with others, we give you 20% incentive for doing that, followed by a 10%, followed by a 5%. So now is always the best time. Reach out to us either by email, phone, or just message us right here. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Make sure you're liking, subscribing, and turning on that bell.